On Friday made 7-day home quarantine mandatory for all international arrivals and an RT-PCR test on the 8th day, as it issued revised guidelines for international passengers. The guidelines released on Friday come into force from January 11th and will remain effective till further government orders. As per the existing rules which have been retained in the revised guidelines, travellers coming from countries specified as at risk have to submit sample for COVID testing post-arrival, and they are required to wait for the results at the airport before leaving or taking a connecting flight. If tested negative, they need to undergo home quarantine for 7 days and then get their RT-PCR done on the 8th day. The updated list of nations from where travellers would need to follow additional measures on arrival, including post-arrival testing, are countries in Europe, including the United Kingdom, South Africa, Brazil, Botswana, China, Ghana, Mauritius, New Zealand, Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Hong Kong, Israel, Congo, Ethiopia, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Nigeria, Tunisia, and Zambia. For not at-risk countries, a subsection 2% of the total flight passengers shall undergo post-arrival testing at random at the airport.